Hello everyone. Welcome to your lecture on user generated challenges and surveillance. This lecture is a part of your paper on youth, media and society. The expanding popularity of the new media in the 21st century is gradually transforming the domains of media and communication. The benefits of the new media are being constantly explored by its users, especially the youth. Having the maximum exposure to the developing norms of media and communication. Today, internet users can get involved into dynamic activities from purchasing of grocery to earning scholarship degrees. The new media facilitates such diverse activities. The youth are increasingly drawn towards such benefits of the new media and their subsequent influence in almost all spheres of life. However, the upsurge in the participation of the youth in the digital platforms like social networking sites, blogs, online gaming sites, online shopping sites, instant messaging platforms to engage themselves in activities like blog posts, interaction with the public through social media, sharing of photos, videos, and posting of social, economic, cultural, and political views, writing consumer reviews, and status updates generates large amount of content, usually referred as user generated content. These contents are usually unregulated in the nature and have the potential to generate debates, dissemination of wrong information, generation of legal issues like copyright and privacy. Certain contents also have the potential to hurt the religious, political, and socio-economic sentiments of people, resulting in widespread agitation. Hence, such swelling activities on the new media give rise to user-generated challenges, which also calls for surveillance techniques. This lecture will provide an understanding of the user generated challenges created through dynamic user generated content and the probable surveillance techniques that may be applied to combat such challenges. We will discuss how the enhanced activities on the internet, especially among the youth, lead to challenges of user generated content. User generated content. The internet in 21st century has intervened into the lives of the youth in ways that daily activities can no longer be imagined without it. The youth is captivated by the internet since it facilitates multicultural interaction and multitasking. Moreover, with the enhanced availability and utility of these smartphones, accessing the internet has become easier. People no longer needs to depend on desktops and laptops because every possible function concerning the new media can be performed with the help of smartphones. The increase in the usage of new media has led to a condition of digital dependence. From completing homework to conducting surveys to buying groceries and socializing, every possible activity is now performed with the help of the internet. Earlier, the users of the internet were merely consumers of the content. But with the evolution of the features of the internet, the users have become producers of content as well. Moreover, the widespread popularization of the social media among the youth has contributed to the generation of diverse content that is often unregulated. Thus, the integration of new media in individuals, especially the youth's daily life, generates huge amount of content on the digital platform, which is commonly referred to as user generated content. Such content is primarily generated through social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, blogs, and various personal websites. The user generated content has the following feature. The content is publicly available, meaning new media users could easily access and consume it. The content can be channelized through cheap, effective, and highly accessible media like smartphones, tablets, etc. The content sometimes portrays the creative effort of the content producer. User generated content is often controversial, erroneous, and debatable in nature. There is almost no regulation or control over content generated by users. Some of these features also accounts for the challenges of user generated content. The youth or individuals aged 15 to 24 are the voracious producers and consumers of new media. But consuming and generating content have become easier for the users irrespective of age. Most of the new media users today access the digital platform primarily for accessing the social media, which has made producing and consuming content accessible. Since contents are highly unregulated and unsupervised, they sometimes have the potential to create conflicts amongst the users. Certain posts on social networking sites, especially by the youth, like blog posts, tweets, user comments on somebody posts sharing or uploading photos and videos can have the potential to generate widespread conflicts. The contents can also be resentful in nature, hurting the socio-economic, religious, cultural, or political sentiments of other users, which can also lead to legal interventions. This is a serious challenge posed by user generated content. In spite of the challenges created by content generated on the new media platforms, especially on social media, the content can sometimes be creative as well. Youths are attracted to participate in the social media platforms since it often facilitates the creative potential of the users to substantiate in the form of blog writing, writing interesting and creative posts, posting photos and videos. This sometimes boosts their creative skills and makes them confident. However, a lurking possibility of controversial nature of those creative contents cannot be ruled out. Today, the easy availability of smartphones is facilitating increased participation in the digital platform, primarily through social media. It is increasingly becoming easier for users, including digital immigrants, to access the online content as well as create their own content with minimum technological knowledge and skills. This is a serious challenge created by user generated content. Large sections of society, irrespective of age, gender, ethnicity, or socio-economic background, can today access the new media. They can simultaneously be producers and consumers of content. This leads to a challenge of user generated content, since the consumers and producers of content can be as young as 13-year-old. Such a young population gets exposed to new media content, which is often unregulated and unrestrained. The young users of new media often access the digital platform without parental guidance, which may expose them to harmful and detrimental content. Social media and user generated content, according to the 2016 reports of Internet and Mobile Association of India IAMIA among the 257 million internet users in India. 143 million are social media users, 66% urban users and 34% rural users. And college students account for the largest users, 33% of internet. Social media content is generated through variety of activities like maintaining profiles on social networking sites, status updates in social networking sites, commenting on somebody else's blog, upload user created photos, videos or audios, read tweets, blogs, statuses, customer reviews, watching videos, post reviews on services and products, publish users' own blogs or articles or own web page, contribute to online forums or edit Wikipedia articles. Activities on social media in percentage: maintaining profiles on social networking sites, status updates in social networking sites, commenting blogs, somebody else blog, commenting on somebody else blog, upload user created photos, videos or audios, read tweets, blogs, status, customer reviews, watching videos, post reviews on services and products, publish users on blogs or articles or on web page, contribute to online forums or edit Wikipedia articles. Though the utility and necessity of the social media cannot be overlooked, one cannot deny the dangers and perils of this platform. On the one hand, social media has facilitated multicultural interactions, collapsing the geographical and political boundaries of the world virtually. However, on the other hand, it has increased the possibility of identity crisis. Moreover, while social media propagates creative skills of the youth by giving them opportunity to write blogs, create web pages, it also exposes them to various harmful and unregulated contents. Social media today provides opportunity to the youth to formulate their opinion and comment on the political, religious, or socio-cultural scenario. This often generates heated discussions on the digital platform, often paving the way for violence in real life. The youth, being vulnerable and sensitive, tends to react to immediate circumstances and or state of affairs which might hurt the collective sentiment of the society. The youth have chosen the social media to express their opinions, observances, and beliefs. Since dissemination of opinion and observations is relatively easier through it, and the messages have a global outreach. However, the effect or consequences of these social media content is often given importance. Since the users of social media belong to diverse class, caste, religion, social and political orientation, the user generated content may have diverse reactions and consequences which are sometimes harmful and offensive. Thus, the social media content generated by its users, especially the youth, has both promises and perils, challenges of user generated content. As we discussed, the internet has turned its users into both consumers and producers of content, which is often unregulated and may be offensive in nature. As a result, widespread challenges and concerns are generated. One of the most important and common challenge of user generated content is concerns related to ownership of intellectual property or copyright. The internet today provides a global platform to the youth to showcase and enhance their creative potentials. Thus, many young users utilize this platform to post their writings, paintings, videos, photographs, and other creativities. However, many users often posts or publishes materials that are copies or impersonation of materials created by other individuals, generating copyright issues. Further, many users argue that by posting the creative works on social media and online communities and forums, the other user is providing an implied license to imitate or impersonate his or her work. Young users of social media often upload or post materials that invade the privacy of other users. For example, some users may post photos or videos of other users that are offensive and demeaning in nature. This is often done to seek revenge or address a grievance caused in personal life. Sometimes the sharing and spreading of such offensive content becomes impossible. Challenges of privacy concern also arise when an ordinary user becomes a celebrated personality by means of their creative content like poems or music videos. It attracts attention for profile hacking and cyber stalking. User generated content also poses the challenge of identity theft. Young users, often unaware of the perils of new media, discloses personal information like phone number, residential address, sexual orientation, buying preferences, and continuous updates of their activities. Such personal information could be misused by other users, creating identity theft. User generated content also poses the challenges of defamation and hate speech. Certain statements by some users may cause offense to the reputation of another user. Sometimes the offensive statements are purposely given to harm the reputation of a person. Same is the case for hate speech. Some users often give opinions and observances that might hurt the political, religious, and socio-economic sentiments of other users. Emergence of surveillance. By now, we know that the boom of the new media in the 21st century has benefits as well as pitfalls. When one creates content and shares it through the internet, it reaches the global population. It is very difficult to interpret the sentiments, beliefs, and inclination of such a huge and diverse population. Consequently, the user generated content can often prove to be contradictory and breed widespread conflicts as those we just discussed. Thus, certain surveillance techniques required to be adopted to regulate the contents and reduce the negative impacts generated through such contents. Surveillance, which was primarily a concept of the capitalist era, is now remarkably sought after. With the increased interaction of the global population, the government and the business organizations are considering the formulation of surveillance policies subject to international agreements and proper implementation of the policies. The social media, being the largest creator of user-generated challenges, requires formulation of strict surveillance policies. The social network providers can devise their own rules and regulations for controlling the behavior of the users in social networking spaces. The social networking site Facebook, for instance, allows users to report any offensive content which is thereafter removed from the site. Policies regarding surveillance and regulation of new media content can be set by national government authorities through national laws and policies which may be written in the Constitution. Such laws and policies must be transparent enough to keep users informed about them. Another important surveillance technique which has the potential of maximum effectiveness is self regulation. Through self regulation, internet users can minimize dissemination of harmful and unlawful content in the digital platform. Considering the increase in participation in the digital space, self regulation can become effective as a surveillance technique. However, self regulation cannot entirely survive without some kind of involvement of the state. Thus, at the end of this lecture, we learned that the amalgamation of new media in our daily life propagates generation of huge amounts user generated content, which is a dynamic as the world population. This sometimes brings about challenges of disharmony, widespread agitation, and conflict, since the content generated is highly unregulated and uncontrolled. Moreover, there is a lack of regulatory laws regarding such content generated through new media throughout the world. I hope that you have realized the necessity of strict laws pertaining to user generated challenges to be formulated to maintain and promote global harmony and peace. This requires close collaboration among the national governments, users of new media, as well as network providers. For more details, please read the module on this lecture carefully and attempt the questions in the end. Thank you. Thank you very much.